Have you ever noticed something very familiar, yet rarely thought deeply about it? Just one night of restless, shallow sleep can make the next morning feel completely different. You wake up with slightly watery eyes, a heavy face, sluggish thinking, and it takes quite a while for your body and mind to truly start the day. Some people even joke that the moment they open their eyes, they already feel a few years older. Most of us assume this is simply due to aging, but neuroscience shows that the reality is far more complex. What few people realize is that after just one poor night of sleep, the body's internal cleansing system can slow down significantly. Scientists refer to this as temporary lymphatic stagnation, a state that can make the face appear 5 to 7 years older after only a single morning. Welcome back to the KHOE MOI NGAY channel. This is where I join you to share scientific knowledge that is practical, easy to understand, and applicable to everyday health. In today's video, I would like to explore with you a critically important system that is often overlooked, the lymphatic system. The silent sanitation network that plays a major role in determining our rate of aging, energy levels, and immune strength. This content is carefully synthesized from numerous scientific studies on the body's self-cleansing mechanisms, including research and insights from Professor Andrew Huberman of Stanford University. Dear friends, to understand why just one poor night of sleep can make the body and skin decline so noticeably, we need to look back at how the body cleanses itself every day. Inside our bodies, there are always two vital transport systems working in parallel. One system brings in what is needed, and the other carries away what is no longer useful. The blood system is responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to nourish every cell. The lymphatic system does the opposite job. It collects cellular waste, microscopic toxins, excess fluid, and inflammatory byproducts generated during daily life. Simply put, if blood is like delivery trucks bringing supplies, then the lymphatic system is the cleanup crew that keeps the internal environment clean and balanced. What few people realize is that each day the body produces a surprisingly large amount of waste fluid, estimated at several liters, which must be collected and returned to circulation for processing. When lymphatic flow is smooth, this process happens quietly, and we barely notice it. But when the flow slows down, substances that should have been removed early remain longer in the tissues and under the skin. The key issue is that, unlike the heart or blood vessels, the lymphatic system does not have its own dedicated pump. It cannot push fluid forcefully on its own. Instead, it must work against gravity and relies almost entirely on body movement. Every step we take, every muscle contraction and stretch, and every deep breath acts like a gentle push that helps lymphatic valves open and keeps the fluid moving. When we move less, sit for long periods, breathe shallowly, or sleep poorly, these biological movements are significantly reduced. At that point, lymphatic fluid is more likely to stagnate, especially in lower areas and regions prone to blockage such as the face, neck, abdomen, and legs. This is exactly why after a restless night, we may notice facial puffiness, a heavy feeling in the body, and mental fog, even though there is no obvious illness. Once this basic mechanism is understood, it becomes clear that very small daily habit changes can create surprisingly large differences in health and skin quality. When you understand why the lymphatic system is so prone to stagnation, you will also see that the solution does not lie in medication or complex techniques, but in the body's most fundamental signals. In fact, the lymphatic system has two powerful natural pumps, both closely tied to everyday life. The first pump is body movement. Every time we walk, stretch our arms and legs, or change posture, the muscles gently compress lymphatic vessels, helping the valves open and pushing fluid upward. The legs, in particular, are the farthest area from the heart, so leg movement plays a crucial role in returning lymphatic fluid back into circulation. With regular movement, the body feels as if it is being reactivated from the ground up. the heavy sensation gradually eases, and we feel noticeably lighter and more alert. What matters most is not intense or exhausting exercise, but gentle and consistent movement. When the body moves regularly throughout the day, the lymphatic system receives enough signals to function smoothly. This is why many people find that simply walking daily helps them sleep better, wake up with less facial swelling, and feel mentally clearer in the morning. The second pump, which is often overlooked, is breathing. When we breathe deeply using the diaphragm, the abdomen gently expands and contracts with each breath, creating changes in pressure within the abdominal and chest cavities. These pressure changes generate a natural suction force that helps draw lymphatic fluid upward from the abdomen and lower body. With just a few slow, deep breaths, the body begins to shift into a more relaxed and efficient cleansing state. When gentle movement is combined with deep breathing, the entire lymphatic system is activated in a coordinated way. The body moves out of stagnation and becomes more fluid and open from the inside. This is the most essential foundation for reducing swelling, easing fatigue, and supporting recovery after poor sleep or prolonged periods of stress. Alongside activating the entire lymphatic system through movement and breathing, the body also has a very special cleansing mechanism that takes place mainly during deep sleep. This is the brain's waste clearing system, also known as the glymphatic system. Its role is to collect and remove waste products generated while the brain works throughout the day. During the daytime, the brain processes enormous amounts of information, stress, and pressure. At night, when we enter deep sleep, the brain shifts into cleansing mode. Brain cells gently shrink, creating more space for cerebrospinal fluid to circulate, carrying away waste substances, including protein fragments that are no longer needed. When this process runs smoothly, we wake up feeling mentally lighter, clearer, and more focused. The problem is that the glymphatic system works efficiently only during deep sleep. If sleep is fragmented, too short, or regularly delayed by staying up late, this cleansing mechanism becomes less effective. Over time, waste products accumulate in the brain, leading to what many people describe as brain fog, forgetfulness, poor concentration, and persistent mental fatigue. One particularly interesting detail highlighted by many studies is that sleep position also has a significant impact on the brain's cleansing ability. When we sleep on our side, especially in a gentle side-lying position, cerebrospinal fluid tends to circulate more smoothly compared to sleeping flat on the back. This allows waste products to be cleared more effectively during sleep. In addition, slightly elevating the head during sleep, by about 10 to 15 degrees, can further support fluid drainage. With the head gently raised, cerebrospinal fluid and lymphatic fluid in the head and neck area can flow downward more easily. As a result, we often wake up with less facial puffiness, a lighter feeling in the head, and noticeably better mental clarity. When deep sleep is combined with an appropriate sleep position, the brain is not only resting but also being properly cleansed. This is a key factor in protecting memory, supporting mental sharpness, and playing an important role in maintaining overall health and youthful-looking skin over time. After activating whole-body lymphatic flow and supporting brain cleansing during sleep, there is one area that is especially prone to stagnation in almost everyone: the face and neck. This is where lymphatic fluid often becomes trapped, particularly in people who frequently tilt their head downward, spend long hours looking at their phone, or sit in one position for extended periods during the day. When lymphatic fluid cannot drain properly from the face is more likely to appear puffy, less defined, and heavy, with skin that looks dull and tired, even without weight gain or dietary changes. Many people mistake this for fat accumulation, but in reality, it is largely stagnant fluid that has not been properly drained. One crucial point to remember is that facial lymphatic vessels are very different from muscles. They are small, delicate, and superficial. If we pull too hard, press too deeply, or move too quickly, we may not help drainage at all and can even collapse the vessels. Worsening stagnation. That is why the first rule for working on the face is gentle, slow, and in the correct direction. Effective facial lymphatic drainage cannot be done randomly or in the wrong direction. The body follows a natural drainage pathway, and if the sequence is incorrect, fluid has nowhere to go. From a biological perspective, the pathway must be opened first before fluid can be released. The correct sequence always begins at the collarbone area, where major drainage points are located. Once this area is gently released, fluid has a place to drain into. Next comes the neck, creating a clear pathway from top to bottom. Only after the neck is opened should gentle drainage move from the jawline, and finally up toward the higher areas of the face. When this sequence is performed correctly, many people notice that after a short period of time, their face appears more contoured, morning puffiness is reduced, and the skin looks brighter and more even. More importantly, there is a distinct sense of lightness and comfort in the head and neck. This is a sign that lymphatic fluid is flowing in the proper direction, rather than just a superficial external effect. Dear friends, when we look back at everything that has just been shared, one thing becomes very clear. Keeping the lymphatic system flowing well is not only about reducing facial puffiness or feeling lighter in the short term. It is, in fact, a long-term health strategy that has deep effects on many vital organs in the body. From a cardiovascular perspective, when lymphatic drainage is efficient, excess fluid and inflammatory factors do not remain trapped in the tissues. This helps reduce the workload on the heart, limits chronic inflammation, and contributes to protecting blood vessel structure over time. A cleaner internal environment allows the heart to work more efficiently and sustainably. For the immune system, the lymphatic network is where immune cells travel, communicate, and respond to harmful agents. When lymph flow is smooth, immune responses are more flexible, better timed, and less likely to become chronically overactive. This is the foundation for fewer minor illnesses, faster recovery after sickness, and more stable immunity as we age. Many long-term studies in biology and modern medicine also show that reducing baseline inflammation and improving the body's natural detoxification capacity are closely linked to healthy aging. When the body is not constantly burdened by waste buildup and inflammatory signals, cells can function more steadily, and repair and regeneration processes become more efficient over the years. From a broader perspective, caring for the lymphatic system is not an isolated technique, but part of a biologically appropriate lifestyle for the human body. When we move properly, breathe properly, sleep properly, and support drainage correctly, the body naturally adjusts toward balance. This is the foundation of sustainable health and healthy longevity, rather than short-term or reactive solutions. And once we understand this bigger picture, it becomes clear that small changes, when repeated consistently every day, can create very deep and long-lasting effects on overall health. And to support the lymphatic system in working better each day, there are a few very basic elements that deserve attention. These are not tricks or secret formulas, but essential foundations that allow lymphatic flow to remain smooth. First is plain water or warm water. Lymph is a fluid, and fluids require water in order to move. When the body is dehydrated, lymphatic fluid becomes thicker and flows more slowly, much like a stream that is gradually drying up. In that state, waste products and excess fluid are more likely to accumulate, leading to swelling, heaviness, and fatigue. Drinking enough water, especially warm water, helps thin the lymph just enough to improve flow and allows internal cleansing to happen more gently. Next are dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, or romaine lettuce. These vegetables are rich in fiber, minerals, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds. When the digestive system works well and waste is efficiently eliminated through the intestines, the detoxification burden on the lymphatic system is reduced. In other words, when the gut is clean and functioning well, the lymphatic system does not have to work as hard. Leafy greens also provide natural water content and electrolytes, helping maintain a fluid environment that supports lymphatic circulation. Another highly valuable but often overlooked item is fresh ginger. Ginger has a warming quality that gently stimulates circulation and promotes mild vessel dilation. When circulation improves, fluid movement throughout the body, including lymphatic flow, becomes easier, especially in the morning or for those who tend to feel cold. Ginger helps warm the body from the inside, reduces heaviness, and strongly supports fluid drainage. Finally, warm water with lemon is worth mentioning. Lemon is not meant for rapid detox, as many people believe, but rather to gently awaken the digestive system and liver after a long night. When the liver and digestion function smoothly, waste is processed more efficiently, reducing the load on the lymphatic system. Warm lemon water in the morning also helps rehydrate the body early, creating favorable conditions for lymphatic flow to begin the day gently. In summary, plain water, dark leafy greens, fresh ginger, and warm lemon water are not rare or expensive. Yet these simple elements form the essential foundation for healthy lymphatic circulation, helping the body feel lighter, less swollen, less fatigued, and more resilient over time. At this point, you can see that activating the lymphatic system is neither complicated nor difficult to do. In essence, the body simply needs to be brought back to its most fundamental biological signals. To make this easier to remember and apply in daily life, we can summarize everything into 5 core principles. The first principle is consistent daily movement. There is no need for intense or exhausting exercise. The key is to move regularly so the muscles can assist lymphatic flow, especially helping fluid travel upward from the legs. The second principle is deep diaphragmatic breathing. Slow, deep breaths not only help calm the nervous system, but also create a natural suction force that supports lymphatic drainage from the abdomen and lower body. The third principle is sleeping properly so the brain can be cleansed. Prioritizing deep sleep, sleeping on your side, and slightly elevating the head helps the brain's waste-clearing system work more efficiently. This reduces brain fog and morning facial puffiness. The fourth principle is gentle, correctly sequenced work on the face and neck. Always remember to open the pathways first before releasing fluid. Movements should be slow, light, and in the correct direction so facial lymphatic flow occurs naturally. The final principle, and the most essential foundation of all, is drinking enough water every day. Water is the medium through which lymphatic fluid moves. When the body is dehydrated, lymph becomes thicker and slower, making all internal cleansing processes less efficient. For this reason, it is best to prioritize plain or warm water, along with dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, or romaine lettuce, and to include fresh ginger and warm lemon water as part of daily routines to better support lymphatic circulation. There is no need to do everything perfectly from the beginning. Simply choose a few principles that suit you best and practice them consistently each day. The body will gradually adjust and respond in very noticeable ways over time. Meaningful change does not come from dramatic actions, but from small habits repeated correctly. If you found this video helpful, I invite you to subscribe to the KHOE MOI NGAY channel so we can continue exploring practical, easy to apply scientific knowledge together, helping the body feel healthier, the mind lighter, and daily life more peaceful. You are also welcome to leave a comment to share your thoughts or questions. Your feedback is a great motivation for creating future videos that are even more closely aligned with real needs. Wishing you continued health and peace.